Hello guys, in this video we will learn about generic type. In Go language also supported the generic. In other programming languages also we have generic, and generic we generally use for collections. And generic, suppose in the Java language we wrote down generic for /t. Same way over here also we can write down some generic also. So for example, I have one functions sum, and it can accept. Here we need to give the type. T is the type, and here we need to give the value. Like for example, I am just going to give integer, float. These are the two values. Okay, these are the two type we can send it to whenever we want to sum of it. So these variables, whatever the variable we wanted to get it, so definitely we need to write down A and B of the two value, right? Integer. And if we wanted to return type also, I need to write down integer also. The bracket of the scare one we should be close it over here. Here we will define the body of it. So simply A and B. So T is the type that we are declaring. So wherever we have integer, we should write down type also over here. Okay, this bracket should not become right now, and we should not write down pipe symbol. So this is the syntax of it. Now we can use it sum, and we can pass. Suppose I'm just using fmt.println over here, and here I'm just using sum 4, 5, 5. Also I can use sum 5.5, 6.2 like it. Okay, so this can for either it's integer or either it can be float. Yes, we can do one more thing in the generic type. Suppose I does not have type, I can write down the any keyword also. Now if it is any, then over here we given the type, okay, so this could be any also. So now I need to be defined a different way. And operations, if type is any, I cannot be write down such operation. So I'm just simply say display, because I does not know that what type could be possibly to come. So I need to write down just simply println, and whatever the value of, just simply say value of A simply and B simply. Okay, this is the way. So it won't return anything, I just simply write down. So now display functions is generically we can write down any value. Suppose I want to say 5 plus 5 or any string also, anything I can write. So if I write down the string, I need to write down both the value string, because both are the same type. The first type, if anything will write down, we can write down both the value. So here true and true, right? So if you run it, let's run it, go run main.com. We'll see the output over here. So this is the way we can write down. So string, definitely we can write down different string, but we can write down this is the way. So either we can write down, if we know the type, which we can pass it through the pipe symbol, multiple type, or if he does not know the type, we can give the any also. Okay, but definitely if I return the any, so I can need to be, we can return it also, but I need to be, suppose I want to return it and I want to return of the A value only. So like a way it's can possible also. Okay, so this is the way we can return it. We can give the type, and type is the different type of parameter, and here we can use the any also. Okay, how we can use, let's see the practical. One more example. Suppose I have one functions of the swapping the number. This will receive any type, and it has the two parameter A or B, and that has also, it could be different type. It will changing the number over here. Suppose I have number over here, x is 1, 2. Before swapping, this is the number. After swapping, we receive the value in two different variable, and we will check it over here what is the value. So now let's run, and we will see this is the output 1 and 2, but now it will, after the swap we got 2 and 1. Same thing, whatever we did we can do with the string also, because it does not have any type. So over here hello world, so it should be changed to the world hello. So world and hello it will change. Okay, so we can give different type. Any type means any type can be supported. So this is the way in Go language we can give a generic type, or you can say any type we can pass it also. That's it for the generic type. In next video we will learn about the collections, arrays, slice and maps. Thank you guys, have a nice day.